Alright, this is a cucumber eating contest.
We're gonna eat cucumbers to see who can finish them the fastest.
1, 2, 3, go.
Come on.
Only 1 minute.
You had less than me.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What's wrong with you?
This isn't healthy. Seconds.
Go.
How many seconds left?
1 minute. Because before it was like 1:45.
Oh, here comes the time.
Hurry.
Dude, you put this in there.
No, I didn't.
You cheater.
I didn't.
You cheater. You cheater.
I didn't put any in there. You had 3 left. Yes, I gave you the thick one.
34 seconds left.
Dude, I can't do it.
Eat your cucumbers.
You had practice. You've been eating these for a couple days.
No, I haven't.
20 seconds.
I didn't have any of
15 seconds. Hurry, eat them. 8 seconds. 8 seconds.
Cheater.
Hurry, 4 seconds.